Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Mita Lianti. I'm from Department of Chemistry, Faculty of Mathematics and Natural Sciences, University of Lampung. I would like to present about our research. The title is Performance Improvement of Catalyzed ZSM5 Hierarchically through Nickel Impregnation for Cellulose Hydrolysis Reaction. The reduction in fossil resources has resulted in the energy crisis and environmental damage, so the development of renewable and environmental-friendly resources must continue to be encouraged. The steps taken to anticipate the energy crisis are to looking for alternative and renewable energy sources. Biomass is a renewable energy source that can be used as substitute for fossil energy. And banana are one of the agricultural commodities in Lampung. Banana peel contains the cellulose. The results indicate that banana peel biomass has potential as a source for cellulose. A solid catalyst that a wide use and can be improved to cellulose hydrolysis reaction is zeolite. Zeolite Socony Mobile 5 or ZSM5 is a zeolite has flexibility in strong acid environment, hydrothermal stability, and high selectivity. ZSM5 has micropore, so the compound with large molecules are difficult to diffuse. Effort to increase catalytic activity can be done by adding a mesopore to ZSM5 framework using a mesopore template. Meanwhile, the acid site can be increased by metal impregnation on the zeolite framework. The purpose of our research is obtain silica and its characteristics from sugarcane bagasse ash, synthesize nickel ZSM5 hierarchy with the addition of starch as the mesopore template, and study catalytic activity nickel ZSM5 hierarchy in the hydrolysis reaction of cellulose to glucose. The research began with the extraction of silica from bagasse ash, which had been washed the nitric acid and burned at 1500 degrees Celsius. Extraction was carried out using the alkaline method. Extracted silica was characterized using X-ray diffraction and FTIR spectroscopy. The silica obtained has amorphous phase and contains silanol and siloxane group. Thus, silica extraction was carried out successfully. In this research, silica and alumina content in extracted silica is about 77.2% and 10.5%. The diffractogram of ZSM5 synthesis has a very similar pattern to the diffractogram of the standard. The crystallinity of ZSM5 and ZSM5 hierarchically are 70.41% and 86.13% respectively. Hierarchical pore ZSM5 has a typical type 4 isotherm curve with a hysteresis loop. The porosity coefficient ZSM5 sample can be confirmed via pore size distribution. The pore distribution ZSM5 is the highest peak of pore diameter 5.6 nanometers and indicate the presence of several mesopores. Impregnation of nickel metal has been successfully carried out by observing a new peak in the impregnated zeolite. They are 1542 and 1582 centimeters -1. Scanning electron microscope show that morphology of ZSM5 is in the form of irregular bulky crystal. Morphology of ZSM5 hierarchical pore is in the form of particle aggregate with relatively uniform size. The catalytic activity of ZSM5 was tested in the hydrolysis reaction. 3 variables were studied, namely reaction time and temperature and the amount of catalyst used. The highest catalytic activity was found in the reaction that occurred of 140 degrees Celsius for 3 hours, and the amount of catalyst 0.03 gram. Metal impregnation increases Lewis acid site on the catalyst so that the cellulose hydrolysis reaction can occur properly. The conclusion of our research, nickel impregnation on the ZSM5 framework increased the performance of catalysts in the cellulose hydrolysis reaction. Thank you for your attention, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.